Hello, this is Tomonori, your instructor for Japanese 101. Today, I'm going to start talking about the grammar in Chapter 2, Lesson 2 of Genki. Okay. I keep using my own slides, but you can find the same information in the textbook. So today, I'm going to talk about the number, large numbers. In Chapter 1, we talked about how to count up to 99, and we learned basically it's a combination of how many tens and how many ones you have in the large numbers up to 99. Right? So 35 is 3 times 10 plus 5. So we say 35. The same way 56 is 56, 80 is 80, 99 is 99. Okay? And if you want to count larger numbers, larger than 99, you need a new unit because you just can't say 10 times 10. Okay? You just have to have a new unit for 100, which is 100 in Japanese. So 100 is 100. Okay, and the rest of them is the same, pretty much the same as the as 99. So if you have numbers up to 999, you first count how many hundreds there are, how many tens there are, and how many ones. Okay, so in case of 395, there are 3 of hundreds, 9 of 10 plus 5. So we say 395. 395. 832 is 832. 832. You probably heard like a little sound difference. So instead of 300, this is pronounced as 300. 300. Okay? Instead of 832, we say 800. 800. Very quickly, hundreds 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, so there are some irregular pronunciations. Yeah. Okay, and we go even above 1999. Let's count up to 9,999. Okay, and then again you need a new unit, which is 1,000. In Japanese, 1000. 1000. Okay, and we do exactly the same thing. 5,754 is 5,734. 8,161 is 8,161. And remember, if there is a 1, we don't say ichi, right? So ichi is used only single digits. So if you have just 1 of 100, we just skip ichi. We don't pronounce that. We say 8,161. Okay, so this is nothing. No sound, no pronunciation, no sound representation. Great. Okay, so then we're gonna move up, and here everything falls apart, right? So this is where you see a major difference from how we count the large numbers in English and in Japanese. So if you want to count, let's say 10,000. 10,000. In English, what you're doing is counting how many thousands there are. So we say 10,000, right? So in English, we are also doing the same counting systems. Like we are counting how many large units there are in large numbers. So we say 10,000s or 500. So we count the 5 of 100 or 10 of thousands. Okay. However, in Japanese, the basic unit, so in English, it's basic unit is 1000. Okay, we're gonna talk more about the basic unit later, but the basic unit in English is 1000. But in Japanese, the basic unit is 10,000. So there's some special term for 10,000. Okay, so it's like a unit. Like we count the 10, 100, 1000. There's something special term for 10,000, which is man. Okay, so let's count this number, and then we do same thing. So we count how many months there are. So 2 of 10,000, 1 of 1,000, 4 of 100, 5 tens, and 9. Okay, so we call this number 21,459. Okay, and then I just mentioned the base unit. So base unit is the largest number with a special name. Okay, the base unit of English is 1000. So after 1000, we keep counting how many thousands there are, right? So we say 10,000, 50,000, or even say 100,000, right? So we count hundreds of thousands, or 455,000. So we keep using thousands in large numbers in English because 1000 is the basic unit. In Japanese, basic unit is man. Okay, so if you see a very large number, you count how many months there are. So let's try this one. So there are 54 of month. Okay, how do you say 54? We say 54 of month. And 5 of thousands, 2 of 100, 6 of tens, plus 5. Okay, so this large number is called 54,5265. Okay, so first we count how many months there are. And then the rest is the same. How many thousand, how many hundred, how many tens. Okay. So again, the basic unit in English is 1000, but in Japanese, the basic unit is man, which is 10,000. Okay, so let's try a quick exercise. So this number. 27,316. This number. 75,248. And this number. 31,945. I'm gonna move the larger number. This one. 40,1,015. 40,1,015. What is? 75,5,244. 75,5,244. And this number. 81,4349. 81,4349. So let's try even larger number. 679,7410. Let's try this. 832,4322. Let's try this. 783,2533. Okay. So here is a little trick. So when you have a large numbers, in English, you always see this comma, right? So every three digits, you see a comma. So you see 2 digits for this number, okay? This little comma actually represents something important, which is a basic unit. So in English, 1000 is a basic unit. So this special commas helps you to how to count, right? So this is the base unit. We have a special name, new special name now, which is million. Right? So 6,797,410. Okay, the same way in English, we put the comma this way, and we say 8. First, we count this one, 8 million, which is the basic unit, 324,322. Okay, but in case of Japanese, it's a lot easier to put the comma every 4 digits. Okay, because in Japanese the basic unit is 10,000, right? So first we count this, 679万7410、832万4322。Okay. So when you have a trouble counting large numbers in Japanese, the good strategy is to put a comma every 4 digits. So let's try this one. How do you count this? This one. We say 2117万14. So let's try this. 5148万9950. The last one. 3381万4963. Okay. In this way, you can count up to this, which is 9999万9999. Okay, so that's all about the large numbers. We're gonna do a lot of practice in class. See you in class.